Another one. Boy, oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Johnson County in north-central Texas, eastern Parker County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Pecan Acres to 6 miles west of Godley, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hearst, Burleson, Cleburne, Southlake, Weatherford, Watonga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, and Crown Leaf. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 28 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 410 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 1 and 31. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.